Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create item groups in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing related products and managing variations like size, color, or style all in one place, making your inventory management much more efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once the page loads, log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create and manage items, as this will ensure you can access all the features we'll be using today. After logging in, look to the left sidebar and click on Items. This will open up the Items menu where you can manage all your products and inventory. From the submenu that appears, select Item Groups. This section is specifically designed for creating and organizing groups of related items, which is exactly what we need. Now at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled New Item Group. Click on it to begin creating your group. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the type of item group you want to create. You'll have two options here, goods or services. Select the one that best matches what you're organizing, as this determines how the items will be categorized in your inventory system. Next, enter a name for your item group in the Item Group Name field. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies what the group contains. If you'd like to add more context, you can optionally add a description and upload relevant images of the item group. This is particularly helpful if you want visual references or need to provide additional details for your team. Now comes the important part, defining variations. Click on New Attribute to add attributes that define how items in this group vary, such as size, color, or style. Enter your options separated by commas. For example, if you're adding a size attribute, you might type small, medium, large. This step allows Zoho to create individual items for each variation automatically. Once your attributes are set, click Add Item to start adding individual items to the group. Here, you'll enter specific details for each item, including the SKU, price, and the relevant attributes you just created. This ensures every variation is properly tracked and priced within your inventory system. Finally, once you've added all the necessary items and details, click Save. This will create the item group along with all its items, and they'll now be organized and ready to use in your Zoho Inventory account. You've now successfully set up an item group in Zoho Inventory, making it much easier to manage products with multiple variations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.